और ये मैच की पहली गेंद वाइस कैप्टन एमएससी के ओमकार की तरफ से, और ये उछाला, फील्डर मौजूद। बहुत ही अच्छी रनिंग इन बिटवीन द विकेट्स। छह ओवर की ये मैच।
छह ओवर का मुकाबला है ये, और इस बीच ये देखिए धकेल दिया ऑफ साइड पर।
और थोड़ी सी यहाँ पे मिसफील्ड।
कोशिश बढ़िया रही।
और ये बहुत अच्छी गेंद।
Omkar is in form, and he also can do batting, and also he is doing the bowling right now. This one flatted ball, big appeal, and umpire says it's a wide ball, extra. It was quite outside of the off stump. Harsh on strike. A full toss converted, what a stroke, but it is in the air. Oh, he dropped that. But what an effort made by him. A wonderful, great effort, athletic effort made by him.
सुंदर यहाँ से एफर्ट था ये।
And at the last moment, that catch dropped by that fielder.
थोड़ी देर के लिए लगा पकड़ ही लिया था।
Yes, for a moment he has taken that catch, but he dropped this one.
और ये close call.
And here is the end of the first over. 6 runs on the board without losing any wicket. SEBI team has got habit of playing leather cricket and tennis. They are playing tennis cricket, and you know, when the leather ball players are playing tennis cricket, so it's something different for them. That ball is very heavy and this one is little light. Now the bowler Prafulla has brought into attack, and facing him batsman Harsh on strike. Back of lane wanted to go, he goes his back foot and wanted to play full, but not able to connect well. But meanwhile the fielder inside the 30th circle, leg by signal given by the umpire, and a single has taken. Nicely driven, but what a fielding.
और ये बहुत अच्छी फील्डिंग यहाँ पर।
He tried with his single hand, and very good fielding done by him.
अमर।
Second over in progress. Now again few changes made by the bowler. Fine leg. He's telling fine leg fielder, and I think he wanted to place him at short extra cover. And the fielder at short mid wicket goes to the short square leg.
तीसरी गेंद ये प्रफुल्ला की। और ये आगे आकर मारने का प्रयास और ये यहाँ पर 4.
Well, a huge gap was available there. He kept his eyes and, he saw the round before the ball and
He saw an opportunity and took it.
with the boundary now, that score moves up to 12. This match is very important for the both team.
Definitely. And the ball is in the air. And no fielder was there.
And a single taken. Score moves up to 13.
13 runs on the board.
This one.
And the ball is in the air and he missed it.
And no chance for the fielder and it's gone all the way.
It's a 4.
With the help of boundary now, the score moves up to 17. In the first over, there were only 6 runs now. Now you can see more runs are there. Some runs are coming. Nicely played, straight to the fielder ran at short extra cover and single taken. And that is the end of the over number second. 18 runs after 2 overs without losing any wicket. 18 runs after 2 overs.
They have changed the field. Omkar with the ball. The best thing about Omkar is he's always in form. Well through. Twenty runs on board. फोर जाने से बचा है यहाँ पर हरीश ने. एक एक रन बहुत ही मूल्यवान. और अगेन हवा में.
This one, a good fielding and also a good running with dead ball signal given by the umpire. So this will not be any run. These runs will not be considered. Going on his back foot and again wanted to cut.
Nice bowling, Omkar.
Yeah, Omkar knows that where to pitch the ball. This time beats the batter and dot ball. It's very hot today.
Yes, I agree with you.
This one full toss converted, but straight in the hand of long on and single taken. It was a juicy full toss. And end of the over number third. And total score is 24 without losing any wicket. The run rate, if you talk about it, it is 8.00. They have got still 3 overs in their hand. If they are managed to get
24 runs on board.
And Chinmay, if they manage to get 30 or 35 run more, so it will be a good total.
Yes, I agree, but the batting lineup of MSC is pretty good.
See, Omkar has bowled 2 overs, has given 12 runs, and Prafulla has bowled 1 over and has given 11 runs. So Prafulla was quite expensive.
But definitely, he'll correct himself in batting, I think so. Let's hope for the best.
And yesterday, the SEBI team won 1 match, and afterwards, the second match, they lost. But the first match, they scored 52 and given the target of 53. What do you think that, will they score above 50 in this match?
If I talk about the history, last 2 matches played by MSC, both they won. So it's pretty hard to tell right now.
Yeah, in this match, they have got a different strategy. You know, they haven't lost any wicket. So many wickets are in their hand. And I think this is the right time to take big risk.
MSC's vice captain has given ball to Omkar. Mayur here.
First ball of the over into the block hole, nicely played, but straight to the hand of long mid-off. And what a throw. Exactly, it was on the stumps.
Good fielding there.
This bowler has got a long run up. This one, Noel, what a stroke. And there is a fielder. Oh my God! Just a misfield, but will get only 2 runs. A slight misfield over there, but stroke was nice. Nicely driven, cover drive. Mayur Salvi on his bowling mark. This one again, bowler back drive. But again, a good fielding. Maximum ball you have seen is Mayur is bowling on the off stumps, off and middle stump, not allowing batter to play any stroke on the onside.
He has a pace. He believes in pace.
This one on the rise in the air towards the long on. Omkar and underarm throw. Chance for the second run. Couple of runs. And a very good running between the wicket. Trying to convert singles into double. And those are the lifeline of the cricket.
Each run is important.
Again in the air. But Omkar is over there. Little bit of
For one more. And they succeeded.
I think he has a problem with his shoulders. And that's why it is possible for the batter to get 2 runs. You also can now see the drone view. What a speed it has. Beautiful cover drive, but fielder is already vigilant in that area. Again a little bit of fumble and then getting 2 runs. A very good running between the wicket, converting singles into double, and now the score moves up to 34, sorry, after 4 overs.
34 runs on board.
Yeah, Mayur Salvi has given 10 runs in this over. So 10 runs in the over.
Really good running between the wickets here.
Yeah, they have converted, I think, maximum time. They have gone for the second runs now. 2 overs they still have in their hand. And they have scored 34. So in the 12 ball, if they manage to get 20 to 25 more runs, that will be a good total.
Discussion between MSC's captain and their most experienced player, Journal. And the ball is in captain's hand.
Yes, Sebi is looking to score at least 55-60. You also can see right hand side a big screen. And the final match between New Zealand and India will be shown.
देखना कहाँ होगा, ग्राउंड पे या स्क्रीन पे?
And this time in the air, and the fielder in the deep, chasing that, and oh my God, what happened there? A very good running between the wicket, but
Well fielding यार.
let's see what umpire says. They have taken the help of third umpire, and our technical team is ready there. And Mr. Matre sir will check and will.
टीम बीएससी, टीम सीडीएसएल एंड टीम सेबी इनको रेडी रहना है बेस्ड ऑन द पॉइंट टेबल. इनका एक लूजर ग्रुप का मैच रहेगा.
कौन सा?
टीम बीएससी, टीम सीडीएसएल, टीम सेबी इज ऑलरेडी प्लेइंग. बीएससी सीडीएसएल को रेडी रहना है क्योंकि अभी क्या है ना, लूजर ग्रुप इसमें से जो भी होगा.
And according to the umpire's decision, it was a 4.
लगेच या मॅच नंतर
4 होते हैं सर. 4 होते हैं
4 ओव्हरची बट आम्हाला सगळं तेच बघायचं. याने जिंकली ना, कशी गेली.
38 runs on board. Second ball of Prafulla.
And that's gone for a boundary. What a stroke played by Amadas. जिनकी बल्लेबाजी है खास. What a stroke. And now the total score moves up to, we'll update you to total 46 runs. Still 3 balls to go of this spell. So Mohan sir is going to make one important announcement.
बट सीडीएसएल इथं आहे का? हे सीडीएसएल आहे ना? सीडीएसएल इज हियर ना? येस, ओके. बीएससी वाल्यांना फक्त हे सांग.
White ball, extra run added. What happened, Chinmay? Are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
A very good running between the wicket once again.
Forty-eight runs on board.
Once again, a good running between the wicket.
बूंद बूंद से सागर भर रहे हैं.
Yes, we are in the 5th over and last ball of the over right now. And looking to hit big stroke, beats the batter and dot ball. Total score after 5 overs 49. Look at this big partnership between these two. Amardas is on 24, Harsh is on 22. Amardas 24 of just 13 ball, 4 boundaries. Harsh is on 22 of just 17 ball, 1 boundary.
Last over, and now comes from MSC's side Journal, the most experienced player.
Journal now has brought into attack, making few changes on the field work. Third man, short fine leg, deep square leg, deep mid wicket, long on, long off, and short point and mid off. Converting full toss in the air.
Straight in the wicket keeper's hand. Experienced player, as I told you.
Kapil Soni, new batter now, arrives, and what a start for the General. Harsh played nice inning, 22 runs he scored. Kapil Soni, new batter now, arrived. Oh, beating the batter. And made big appeal there, but umpire, square leg umpire is not interested.
Journal is delivering what is expected to deliver. Bowling over. What a great ball.
The umpire has taken the third umpire, given the call to the third umpire. And let's see now what happens.
And it's a wicket. A very successful bowling by Journal, 2 wickets in this over.
सेकंड त्याला दिलं पाहिजे नाही नाही प्रफुल्लने 2 घेतले ना तिथे जनरलला द्यायला पाहिजे ना द्यायला पाहिजे
Again a great ball.
Leg by signal given by the umpire. And it's a 50 for the SEBI. Converted full toss. And what a stroke! Look at him that he converted full toss. And what a timing. A very good timing there.
It was a great shot by the batsman.
So I was saying about the total 55, 60 will be the right total. And yes, they have got a 54. And yes, gone. End of the over, and SEBI's total is 54, and they have given the target of 55.
Great bowling there by Journal.
And it's good news for all of you. Now we have made arrangement, especially NSM has made arrangement of, we are going to see the final match between India versus New Zealand. And that will be shown on the big screen. And it is going to start after 1 hour. देख सकते हैं कमेंट्री बॉक्स और स्ट्रैटेजी अभी इस समय बनाते हुए सेबी के खिलाड़ी 55 रनों की चुनौती रखी है इस समय एमएससी की टीम के सामने। चलिए अभी यहां से रिक्वेस्ट होगी कि आपकी फील्डिंग आपको लगानी है सेबी की टीम। चलिए आप अभी फील्डिंग लगा लीजिए और मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा एमएससी टीम को कि आपके बल्लेबाज भी जो है ओपनिंग पैर आपको भेजने हैं। सलामी जोड़ी मैदान पर आपको तुरंत ही भेजनी है।
एमएससी की तरफ से उनके वाइस कैप्टन ओमकार और मयूर बैटिंग पर। फिर से एक बार ओमकार के बल्ले से बड़े बड़े छक्के देखने मिल सकते हैं यहां पर। सभी फील्डिंग सेट करते हुए यहां पर एमएससी के बैटर्स तैयार।
सर बॉलर्स नेम सर बॉलर्स नेम अमरदास ना अमरदास
Amardas with the ball. Omkar on the strike. And here we go. One run for MSC. Good running between the wickets. और गेला ब्यूटीफुल अंकर 4 runs.
A very good start here. They hit the boundary and
6 runs on board.
6 runs appears on the board now.
Good thing about Omkar is he's always in form.
Even in the first season, Omkar batted well.
He was the man of the series. Look how confident he is. Ball in the air.
2 runs will be taken. A very good running.
Beautiful running between the wickets. Great run up by Mayur here.
What a bowling this is. Omkar, the man will have to come back to the pavilion, and Amar Das, he knows where to pitch the ball. He knows he has got a lot of experience of bowling and exactly pitching in the right area. And Omkar on his way to the pavilion, he was hitting some good strokes. He was giving a good start for the team. But right now you can see Amar Das gets his wicket, and that's very important wicket for them. And now Omkar makes his way towards the pavilion, and the new batter now, captain has taken the responsibility.
शेर जाने के बाद बब्बर शेर मैदान पर. इंडिया में जर्सी नंबर 18 और एमएससी में जर्सी नंबर 27. Good try, Omkar. MSC's captain Prafulla on strike. No ball given by the umpire. पूरा चांस लिया जाएगा यहाँ प्रफुल्ला की तरफ से यहाँ पर. In the air. Well saved by Sabi's team. Two runs there. Mayur is on strike now.
Excuse me. Bowler.
Mayank has brought into attack now. After 1 over 11 runs. And not able to connect well. Could be a chance of run out. Let's see. And good effort. Medicine follow through, but not.
It was a risky call there by Mayur.
बहुत ही बढ़िया तरीके से खेला. Just a gentle push on the onside and gets a single run.
गेम प्लान पे बने रहने का तरीका.
Yeah, Messi still requires 42 runs of coming 28 balls.
दो तीन बड़े शॉट्स देखने को मिल सकते हैं. और जैसे मैंने कहा, ब्यूटीफुल फोर, वेल डन मयूर. जैसे मैंने कहा, दो तीन बड़े शॉट्स देखने मिल सकते हैं. सत्रह 17 runs on board. Mayur on strike. Nineteen runs on board. Last ball of the second over. And what a beautiful shot. What a great save. Twenty-one runs on board. 17 plus किती मारले आता? 21 रे. 2 ओवर के बाद 21 रन, 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर. "34 runs required in 24 balls." Prafulla on strike. Bowler's name? Amar with the ball.
बहुत ही बढ़िया तरीके से खेल दिया सामने की ओर। 1 रन से कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी सेबी की टीम को, चौके छक्के नहीं लगने दिए जा रहे हैं। और अभी देखिए 28 गेंदों में 23 गेंदों में माफ कीजिएगा 33 रनों की आवश्यकता है जीतने के लिए। कुछ भी हो सकता है, रोमांचक मुकाबला आप देख रहे हैं इस समय।
दोनों भी टीम बेहतरीन तरीके से परफॉर्मेंस दिखाते हुए यहाँ पर। मयूर फिर से स्ट्राइक पर, बढ़िया शॉट्स खेल रहे हैं, सेट हो चुके हैं। फील्डिंग में यहाँ पे तब्दीली, ऑल सेट। और ये गेंद हवा में, कोई नहीं रोक सकता। मयूर, व्हाट अ शॉट यार। टीम बहुत ही खुश। "26 runs on board, 29 required in 22 balls." What a shot! Well shot. गया गया। और बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी मयूर की तरफ से यहां पर। एमएससी के कैप्टन प्रफुल्ला स्ट्राइक पर। एक रन लेने में कामयाब यहां पर। मयूर फिर से स्ट्राइक पर। What a shot! फील्डर मौजूद। आप बोलो। 24 runs required in 19 balls.
वाइड का इशारा करते हुए अंपायर और एक्स्ट्रा रन प्राप्त होता हुआ। यहां से डॉट गेंदें फेंकनी होगी सेबी के बल्लेबाजों को, गेंदबाजों को। ये फिर से एक बार रन लेने का मौका मिला है और इस समय 3 ओवर के बाद 33 रन, 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर 18 गेंदों में 22 रनों की आवश्यकता है जीतने के लिए फिलहाल एमएससी की टीम को।
Thirty-three runs on board. More 22 required in 18 balls. Rakesh with the ball. Prafulla on the strike. बोला बोला अरे बोला तो 22 runs required in 18 balls. What a shot! और ये गया गया जितना बॉलिंग में दिया है उतना बना के ही आना है। ये है वचन और यही है शासन। आजा तू भी आजा। सत्रह रन चाहिए 16 बॉलों पे। और ये
What a catch taken by Pradeep. A very good catch taken. Match is still on. Anything can happen.
वेल डन मयूर.
But
बहुत ही
Mayur
अच्छी
has-
बैटिंग का प्रदर्शन यहाँ पे मयूर की तरफ से. रियली वेल प्लेड.
He played excellent inning.
चंद्रसेन. वेल डन मयूर. Chandrasen on strike. और ये बहुत बेहतरीन कट वहां पर, एक रन लेने में कामयाब. और इसी के साथ 14 रन 14 बॉलों में रिक्वायर्ड. फोर्टीन runs in 14 balls required. और ये आगे आके खेलने का प्रयास, कोई नहीं, बॉल आ सकता है. और ये 4, बेहतरीन शॉट यहां पर प्रफुल्ला की तरफ से, एमएससी के कैप्टन. ग्रेट शॉट प्रफुल्ल. और इसी के साथ 10 रिक्वायर्ड इन 13 बॉल्स. Good shot. Well done, yaar. 9 रन आवश्यक 12 गेंदों पे. बहुत ही अच्छा मैच यहां पर. 9 रन रिक्वायर्ड 12 गेंदों पे. प्रफुल्ला ऑन स्ट्राइक. Mayank with the ball. व्हाट अ शॉट, फील्डर मौजूद, एक रन से संतुष्ट।
11 गेंदे शेष, 8 रनों की आवश्यकता। मयंक अपना इंडिविजुअल दूसरा ओवर लेके आ रहे हैं पैवेलियन एंड से।
गेम अभी एमएससी के पगड़े में है।
2-3 बिंदी गेंदे डालनी होगी मयंक को।
बैट्समैन भी तैयार, बड़े शॉट खेल सकते हैं यहाँ पर। जरूरत वैसी है नहीं बड़ी शॉटों की, 8 रन ही चाहिए 11 बॉलों में।
फील्ड में बदलाव देखने को मिल रहा है।
और यहाँ पे बहुत ही खूबसूरत कट, 1 रन, संतुष्ट हो गए वहां यहाँ पे 1 रन से। और इसी की तरह 10 बॉलों में 7 रन की आवश्यकता। 10 बॉलों में क्या आवश्यकता?
एक रन लेने से खुश रहेगा एमएससी का टीम। ये एक रन चुपता रहेगा सेबी की टीम को। बिंदी गेंदे डालनी पड़ेगी। अगली गेंद मयंक की ओर से, आउटसाइड दी ऑफ स्टंप,
और ये
जा रही है कवर्स के दिशा में। फील्डर बॉल के पास दूसरे रन लेने की चेष्टा, और दूसरा रन आसानी से पूरा कर लिया दोनों
आसानी से पूरा हो गया यहाँ पर। और एमएससी जीत की तरफ बढ़ते हुए।
बहुत ही अच्छे शॉट, कवर्स की दिशा में गैप मिला है प्लेयर्स को।
बस 5 रनों की आवश्यकता यहाँ पर। एंड ये वाइट यहां पर। नौ बॉलों पे 4 रन। और ये गैप में मारा था। Chandu on strike. सात बॉलों में 3 रन की आवश्यकता। और व्हाट अ शॉट, 2 रन भागने का प्रयास, पहुंच पाएंगे और पहुंच गए हैं। बस 1 रन की आवश्यकता एमएससी को यहां पर जीतने के लिए। एमएससी के कैप्टन प्रफुल्ला स्ट्राइक पर। और इसी के साथ एमएससी ने ये गेम जीत लिया है। वेल डन प्रफुल्ल, वेल डन चंदू।